Animals migrate for many reasons, like weather, food, or sometimes just a change of scenery. Birds can migrate farther than any animal on Earth, like the Arctic tern, who migrates around 50,000 miles each year. Although that might be the longest trip, it's far from the most dangerous. The Himalayas stretch for 1,500 miles across Asia. The tallest peak rises almost 5 miles above sea level. Everest is known in Tibet as the mountain so high no bird can fly over it. But one remarkable species has proven otherwise, the demoiselle crane. To escape Asia's bitter winters, the cranes take on the planet's ultimate mountain challenge. These delicate-looking birds find the strength to battle freezing winds and air so thin they are literally starved of oxygen. Flying alongside their parents are juveniles whose feathers have only recently appeared. But their parents can't protect them from masterful mountain predators. The flocks fly 2,000 miles non-stop in just 7 days to get here, the tiny desert town of Kichan. The townspeople are honored to welcome the survivors and feed them throughout their 6-month stay. Their generosity is a mark of their respect for the cranes, and it is justly rewarded. 9,000 cranes flock to Kichan, one of the largest congregations in the world. It's a safe, warm place to winter, and there's enough food to recover from their arduous trip. The people of Kichan consider it a privilege to host these brave travelers during their incredible migration through one of the world's most iconic landscapes.